BJP MLC C.T. Ravi was arrested yesterday for his comments against a woman minister. Now, he's alleged a conspiracy to murder him through a false complaint. This is, remember, after Minister Lakshmi Hebbalkar had accused C.T. Ravi of calling her a sex worker in the council, and there's videos of that also that are going viral. C.T. Ravi, after alleging a plot to murder him, she's claimed he is completely lying. Now, she also got rather emotional, saying very clearly that this is this is in fact a message where all women are being targeted. An exclusive video shows what triggered the argument, where C.T. Ravi and Lakshmi Hebbalkar can be seen arguing. Congress claims that the BJP MLC first accused Rahul Gandhi of being a drug addict. In response, Lakshmi Hebbalkar called C.T. Ravi a murderer, accusing him of committing murder in a road rage incident. Ravi then referred to Hebbalkar as a sex worker. C.T. Ravi then claimed that he didn't call her a prostitute but used the word frustrate. And so he's saying that if you look at the video and the audio, it's very clear I didn't use that word, and that he hasn't disrespected any woman.
Sorry, I'm not in a status to give a statement also. It has been एक महिला को, एक मंत्री को सदन में अगर ऐसे बात करेंगे तो 33% जो वो लोग लागू कर रहे हैं, तो 33% में कौन सी महिलाएं सामने आएगी? अगर सदन में एक मंत्री को अगर प्रोस्टिट्यूट बोलेंगे, प्रोस्टिट्यूट करके संबोधित करेंगे, तो कौन सी महिला राजकारण में आगे आएगी? राहुल गांधी जी को इररिलेवेंट था, राहुल गांधी जी का नाम लेना ही नहीं था, राहुल गांधी जी का कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं था। अंबेडकर जी के बारे में हम लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, लेकिन राहुल गांधी ड्रग एडिक्ट करके मेरे सामने नाच रहे थे। मैंने कहा राहुल गांधी जी के बारे में क्यों बात कर रहे हो? आज राहुल गांधी जी है तो कांग्रेस है तो लक्ष्मी हेब्बालकर है। तो मैंने कहा आप एक्सीडेंट करा के 3 लोगों का मौत के जिम्मेदार आप हो, आप मर्डरर होकर। मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा कि मैंने नहीं कहा है, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा, C.T. रवि ने कहा कि मैंने वो जो वर्ड है प्रोस्टिट्यूट हमने ये नहीं कहा, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा है। आप लोगों के डोमेन में है, आप लोगों के फुटेज में है। I don't know how to react.
3 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ, ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಈಗೇನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ?
ಇದು ತಾನಾಸಾಯಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ದಿನ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಚುಕ್ತ
ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್,
ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಚುಕ್ತ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, FIR ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿನ ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
He here that commissioner, he received more than 100 calls. Where it is come? Who telephoned him? Mr. C.T. Ravi told me in the near court, the higher police officer, he called him. It is in the record. Sir, sorry sir, political pressure is there. Don't mistake me. I am not interested to do anything but political. It shows entire episode running around the last 6 o'clock is a political vendetta.
This police people, they have taken custody of C.T. Ravi unlawfully. Yesterday, throughout the night, they didn't even bother to offer a cup of water. No food was given. And above, he has been hit on the head. In spite of, he was bleeding, literally was bleeding. He was not taken to hospital also. Police department avoiding all the media, avoiding all our karyakartas. They have taken him single, and no MLC was there along with him. He was taken into secluded place also. And literally the Congress workers were also following the police vehicle. Anything could have happened. Anything could have happened, because when people can come into Suvarna Sauda, if rowdies are allowed inside Suvarna Sauda, and you can imagine what would have happened outside with Suvarna Sauda.
There is no any evidence. The speaker will be take action. That is one thing. Another side, how the police using the government using the police power, how they made a revenge against the C.T. Ravi. Especially DCM Saab, he told today morning, last 6 months back, C.T. Ravi told against Siddaramaiah, against Rahul Gandhi. So these are shows from last 6-7 months. They joining the dot of the C.T. Ravi against the Congress government statements. So they made like this. They using the police power against C.T. Ravi.
Legislative Council members, that he has used very filthy word to Srimati Lakshmi Balkar. She is a minister in my cabinet, and it amounts to criminal offence. I don't know whether she has complained to the chairman also, and also she has gone to the police station.
Everything has been videographed, so which has been already been released. Some of them are showing, some of them are not showing. But still, so immediately he has said that you are a prostitute. So this is the culture of the more than 10 dozen times he has said that. So this is the culture of the BJP. So she has filed a complaint before the council chairman, and council chairman did not allow to be debated or discuss on this issue. He has made a sign die, immediately has closed the house, and ultimately she has filed before the police station, and the law is taking its own course.
One of the members from the opposition, C.T. Ravi, has used a very bad word towards Lakshmi Balkar, and more than once I was told that 10 times he has used the same word. And Lakshmi Balkar, being a minister in the government, she is hurt, she is pained, and she is expressing, the insult which has been thrown at her during the, debate.